Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're trade with Joy first. I don't know, I just woke up from sleep. Now it's almost 5:50, it's almost 6 o'clock. I don't know, a lot of people have been complaining that I should posting my face. So I don't know, I will start posting my face, but that for some time. That is that for another day, but not today. You see these two red. Why I did not put my face? If you see these two red something, this was the former support and resistance, you understand? So when I was taking the this is good versus USD. So when I was taking the trade, as I saw this trade, I thought it would break here, but as I took it, I don't want to even talk the kind of money that gold made me lose yesterday sef. I just don't want to talk, because if I talk, tears will just come out from my eye now. Thank God that ACMD indicator, I will remove it. That indicator, me I don't understand that indicator. That indicator is fucking up. So as you can see, you see that gold is gold is coming down. So I want to put here. I want to put here. I want to put a red line in this place. So I'll leave it as the resistance. Then I'm going to delete this one. So this is new support and resistance. You understand? For those people that don't know, I'm doing this video for you. I don't like to take trade in the middle of this place, because when I take it, I end up losing, and I lose thousands of dollars. Gold make you lose. When you lose, you will cry. I'm telling you, you will cry. So the best thing for me, for my advice, I'll tell you, never run away from taking trade in this support. If it's as it's showing this bearish, because it's, as you can see, it's going on correction, which maybe it will go up or maybe it can go down. So you wait till this thing clear and pass it. If it break out of this support, it becomes a resistance and bearish. But if you break above this resistance, this up resistance here, is the resistance will become a support. So this video is for my students. See, my student, for those people I'm teaching, for those people that look up to me, I don't know the best way to tell you apart from this way. Don't ever, it's a very good, don't ever take trade in the middle of my brother. You will regret your life. Nothing, you will regret, because this thing can shock you now. It will start going ranging. It will go up, it will reach down, it will push up. The way you will regret your life, because it will be 50 50 50, and gold then you take that trade, gold will show you shege. It will show you shege. As you can see, you see yesterday, my video yesterday, you see that I took this trade, this green trade here, from this one here to here, and I was on profit. I made almost $4,000 on profit. So as I saw that it went up, it hit my take profit. So I was out of the trade. I was even very, very happy. This is the first time. Not that this is the highest money I made in gold. I made almost $6,000. But this is the first time that gold have hit my take profit before. You understand? I was so happy yesterday. So as I looked at this last one that went up and bearish push it down, this candle, you see this candle here, this one, you see that price went up, but it's like sellers, I don't know, like sellers push it down. You understand? So it's like seller push it down, and it's like this look like a doja candle. So this is 50 50 in the market. You understand? Because we don't know the clear trend. Understand? But for me, I believe that this is a correction. It have always been a correction. Gold is on up trend. strong bullish since this year. So all this red thing you see here, so correction, 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 and this correction, my mind is telling me it's not going to reach this support. So I just going to is start doing ranging, because gold is very good. You do this ranging for 2 3 days, for 2 3 days. But for us to know, we have to do what we call top down analysis. Then let us go to the 1 day time frame. The 1 day time frame, you see that it's going down. You understand? You see that it's going down, but you see that it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend, and the RSI is still showing overbought. So let us go to the 1 week time frame. So you can see it's an uptrend to tell you that. Let's go to the 1 month time frame. This is an uptrend, you understand? So I believe it's just going on a minor correction, because if you see the 1 month, you see that is on clear bullish. You understand? There's no sign of, if this 1 month brought out a red candle here and it's going down, see, don't even dare try to buy itself in the 4 hours time frame. You will regret your life. You understand? So you wait for selling opportunities. But here the showing overbought, you understand? And this is a very strong uptrend. So there's nothing like sell. There's nothing like sell. So don't even try to sell. That thing is a ranging market, you understand? Because it's 4 hours, so it's just making minor correction. If you even see, let's follow the 1 week sell. If you see the 1 week, you see that it's still going up, and it's still an uptrend. And then let's go to the 1 day time frame. You see that it's going on minor correction, because that 1 week is the big wave. You understand? That's where we will know the top people trading, the people in control. So top down analysis, we use the weekly and monthly to know who is in control in the market. And the people that is in control in the market are the how am I gonna put it, are the bullish. You understand? The bulls. They don't want to gree for the bears. Who beat the bears? I'm telling you. The bulls say no, 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 that they are going to beat the bears. Don't have that right. How would the bears be talking to them anyhow? What does that mean? Bulls that have been there for years. So the bulls say they will not gree for bears. So bears now is now trying to fight the bulls. You understand? So we are seeing that in a 1 week now, the bulls, the bullish. Understand? There's nothing like bearish. This is a strong bullish trend. So the 1 week is still telling us that bulls is not green for bears. You understand? Bulls say no, 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 no. If bears do anyhow, they will beat bears. You understand? So we now went to the 1 day time frame. We now see that bears now is now, bulls here is now going on correction, which means the weekly and monthly is going on a sorry, because the day follow the week. So the weekly is going on small correction, but since it's 1 week, you understand, that green candle that is there cannot turn red. You understand? Because this is 1 week. So if it was to turn red, that would be in another week. And if it turns red and go down, bro, it's not even, don't even try to buy, because itself that whole week itself. But the week now, the week one candle is telling us that it's still a very strong, still a very strong green candle. So this 1 day now is not telling us what is trying to happen in this 1 week. You understand? In this 1 week candle, it's telling us that see, the 1 week is going on a little bit correction. You understand? But it's still bullish. It's just going on a little bit correction, because the RSI is showing overbought, so it needs to go on small correction. So now when we go to the 4 hours, where we are going to do our main execution, the 4 hours is now following the day and following the week. You will see a lot of things that is happening. If you're not even careful, you will think that is beer that is in the market. As you can see, you see the doja candle, to tell you the confusion between the buyers and sellers in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, but in the week, if you do top down analysis, you see that the weekly, that see is a minor correction. But since the 4 hours, this will reach up to, it will really reach up to 20 candles or more to form the 1 week. So you don't expect the 1 week and the 4 hours time frame to be the same thing. The 4 hours, I like to take my execution in the 4 hours. Yes, because this is the best hour. This is the best daily. This is the best scalping market execution I like to take put my trade 4 hours time frame. That is it. I don't use 1 hour. I don't use those rubbish. Understand? I don't use those rubbish 1 5 minutes. All those ones are manipulation. Understand? You will not even understand anything there. I like using 4 hours because the 4 hour, tells us a deep tells us deep, you understand, about the financial markets, what is happening in the market right away. You understand? So as you can see, we are seeing a Juja candle here. Oh, this is here oh, to tell you that we don't know who is in control for now. So I believe this thing will turn a ranging because it will shock you. This red might reach this support, but since we know that it's already clear bullish, it will go up, it will go down, it will go up, it will go down. But I believe this thing will break this resistance. You understand? Because this is a very clear bullish sign. The monthly, the weekly have given us a proof that this is a clear bullish trend. So my student out there, you understand what I'm going to tell you. Always trade with JoyFX. Always. Don't even say I don't know how to see. Trade with JoyFX because JoyFX have deep understanding about gold. Because me, other you see other trading, I don't too know. That's why you see that I don't post about other trading, you understand, because I don't know. I'm still trying to improve my Euro USD and GDP because that is the one I can use smaller $50 stop loss and put 0.50 lot size. You understand? You understand? And put 20 pips, that is $50. Sorry, 10 pip, that is the $50. If I'm using 0.50 lot in Euro USD, GBP USD, that one you understand. But since it's here, you don't try, don't, Jesus Christ, don't even try to use GDP lot size to try and go because you will blow your account, you will blow in fact all the money. In fact, oh boy, God used to give joy because it will not even take 30 seconds to just hit that stop loss. If you're not even careful, blow your, oh boy, hit the stop loss, throw you out of the trade, then goes up if you see that. So gold, that's why I always tell my students, don't rush gold. If not, gold will rush your account, you understand. That gold is not plain, you understand. Gold if you know what gold have done to people, and so gold is just a very deep understanding. It's not by using technical indicators. Yes, they are good, but if you even see this one here in the 4 hours, you see that it's showing a strong trend in the ADS, and it's showing that the bulls are in controls of the bears. You understand? Because the bulls is 25.05 and the bears is 11.12. But I don't know why whenever I tell people lis ten to me, they will not lis ten, they will go and be taking their trade. How will you see record to hear that is going on correction and be taking trade? Na one for That's what happened to me here. When if you look here, you see this candle here that came here. This one. If you look where this thing here is going, you see where this white line is going. You see that here was the support, you understand, and here was the resistance. And me, I was following them to play ranging markets in the middle. I regretted my life. I lost $2,200 because of what God did to me. Because I was following this indicator. But when I look at this, I say, Joshua, follow your support and resistance. Don't try to mago. Wait, let this price hit, come out from one or come out from the down, so you know the clear trend. I mean, I was thinking it was BS. As I just lost the money, I just stayed. I just stayed. Then the thing just broke out. See, as this green candle, as e just broke out from this resistance, became support. I took my trade, I recovered the $2,000 I lost. I made 3,000 something dollars. Because I lost $2,000, so my profit was now 900 and something dollar. You understand? But I made $3,000 to pay for the ones I lost. You understand? So that's what I'm going to tell you guys. You understand? So be careful. You understand? You understand? Trade with. Don't just trade because people say trade, trade, trade. You trade like that, you go. You will Listen, you will regret your life. Your bank account will regret his life. You will hit your stop loss 50 times a day. And see one thing, when you lose in gold, don't try to trade again. I have observed, when you lose in gold, if you are not using support and resistance, no, you are using any technical indicator, and you lose in gold, see, don't try to trade again. You understand? Just rest for that day. Rest. If you try to trade again, and anything that make you lose $1,000 in gold, and try, even though it's going in your favor, it's going up there, just stay for that day. Because if you try to do it again, you might trade out of revenge, you might trade out of, I want to recover for the money I lost, and you will regret your life. As I traded because yesterday when I lost that $2,000, I wanted to cry, but I just said no, let me just let it go. So in the evening, then I now saw that it broke off, so I just say let me just take the trade. I was barbing my hair in the evening yesterday. If you watch my video, you hear I made, I talked about that when I placed this trade. Go to my previous video, understand? You will see the trade. So I took this trade yesterday. So I wanted to buy my hair. I looked at the market. Then I said, "Oh, what? Good, because here was the support, and here was cool. Gold that break above this resistance. So here now became support more. As I saw this, thing, I said, no, 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 no. These are bulls. These are bulls. I just, I say, I just put my buy order. I went long. Following the bulls. Come on, the bulls was now riding. Oh, the bulls now ride here. The bulls now ride here. See where this my white line is going. I don't even know what they call this. The bull now ride here. Choo, we're now having joy. The bull just hit my take profit. I was like, what? 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 Then I looked at here, then the bulls push it all them buyers, sellers say no, 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 no. The bears now came from nowhere, from where the bulls are pushing and reach, buyers say for where buyers drag it down to tell you that buyers want to fight bulls, you understand? So when I see this Doja candle to show that, bro, there's nobody in control in the market, you understand? Understand? But as you can see, it's going down. But if some people now that want to play gamble, take this trade and end up regretting their life, you understand? Don't trade because you see that that's what a lot of people doing good and you will regret your life. Don't trade gold without a clear confirmation. I don't know why how many times I'm going to tell you. Don't try it. You understand? Don't try to trade gold without a clear confirmation. You see support, you see resistance. You see that gold is going there because of you see red candle. You want to take. See, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. You understand? Start behaving maturely and behaving reasonably. You understand? Because you don't trade because as you see this thing here. Yes, it might go in your favor, but don't try it because if true bears want to beat bulls, you understand, let bears break above this support, then bears now tell me that now we can now beat, because our parabolic SARS is still telling us that this is going to go up. So for me this is just a very small correction. You see, just do ranging. It will close here as e did here, you see, e did here. You see that this trade was engulfing candle. Most of the people that saw this thing will go and take their trade. It's whether is it engulfing or tweezer? I don't really know, I've forgotten. But the way I saw this is like this look like engulfing, but I don't know. This tweezer. No, tweezer is where, no, it's not tweezer, it's not tweezer. So when I saw this, I said, oh bro, this is engulfing, this is beer. I took my trade and I blow my account and I cry. I lost 2,000 something dollars. Then I know that more beers are not doing. Che, I wanted to cry, but thank God for the strength, thank God for everything. And I took my trade here and I recovered back the losses, you understand? So don't try to trade gold without a clear confirmation. That's why I see that I can use $100 make $1,000. Because anytime I trade gold, I follow this trend line. I don't try to it's only when you have big money that you can place a trade and you hold the trade for days in gold, maybe $5,000, because don't even try to hold trade for 2 days going against you for two, you will blow your account. 5 10,000 dollars, that's when you can hold trade for 2 days, if it's going against you, yes. you know mm-hmm. So as you can see, it's already going down. I've talked too much. The video is getting long. You understand? So I'm making this video for beginners. Don't trade gold without a confirmation. You will regret your life. There's no, I'm telling you, you will regret the confirmation. You always use support and resistance. You understand? You understand? As it's like this now, so I need to wait till a clear confirmation. If it's bear, break this support. If it's bull, break this resistance, then I'm fire my trade. Thousands of dollars in my account. So I don't know. I want to, also make this announcement in case you don't know. I trade for a lot of niggas, for a lot of people, from $100 to $100,000. So if you want me to trade for you, you want me to trade gold, it's just if your risk management, if your big expectation, because your big expectation, is kind of a bigger risk, and it is a bigger funds. Understand? But for $100, maybe we still take 0.02 lot size, because $100, 0.1 sef, 0.1, the 0.1, you understand? But from the big niggas, big investors, those people that can take risks, and they know they want to make a lot of money from $1,000. Because if I trading gold $1,000, at least let us make our stop loss to be $500 or $600. Let's make it of 20 pips, 30 pips. You understand? Then for the big niggas that have 10,000, $50,000, you understand? Those are the people that goes on trade, because I can trade that one even though we lose, it's not too shake, because you can lose $2,000, and the next day, if I look where, if I you can recover. But for the small funds like $100, $200, if we blow it in minutes, we cannot recover. So it just depending on the way you can. But if it's for any other Euro USD account, yeah, I do trade that one. But yeah, I do trade that one. But that one is not something I just you blow overnight though. That one, you take days, take weeks. For you to make $100,000 in gold, sorry, in euro. My brother, that trade, you hold that trade for almost 1 week. But for gold, you make the money in less than even 20 minutes, if you use like 10 to 15 lot size. You will make that money in 20 minutes if it goes in your favor sef. But if it goes against you, to blow your $10,000 or $5,000 stop loss, you understand? So it just depending, as an investor, you want bigger money, bigger, blow the lot size, 5 lot size, you go. Like, if any sophisticated investor now wanted to invest in me now, and it's like, just take $20,000, I want you to use maybe 3 or 4 lot size, with a clear confirmation, as this is like this now, because I need to still break this resistance and become support. So as soon as I break this resistance and become, I will take my trade, and there is no losing. And when there's a clear confirmation, there's nothing like lose. You can never lose, you never hit your stop loss, because at that time, the people in control, the bears or the bulls, will push it, push it to the to a very up, to a level, and then to close that candle. It's when you start opening another candle. If you don't cut your profit there, that's when you start losing. And if you're not careful, you blow your account, you understand? So that's why you see that anytime gold, that's why I say wait for clear. These are for investors, you understand, that have big amount of money, 5,000, $10,000, and want to take pure good risks, like 2 or 3 lot size. But for small account of $100 is money, but it's small in gold, very small. Because even 0.01 lot size, if you're not careful, can blow the account, blow the $100 in 30 minutes, you understand? So that's why I always tell you, as a beginner and gold, because me, I'm just, what I just do for a living, just to trade gold, you understand? But people are saying, gold is not this, I master gold and I trade gold, I'm always profitable. Yes, God bear me witness in that. If I lie, let it be between me and God. I will never lie to you. So as it's here now, I'm waiting. So because in the evening, I'm still going to do a video to show you that God will break this resistance. You understand? But this is a bullish. Don't because you see red candle, go and take sell, you will regret your life, because top down analysis is telling us that the weekly is a strong bullish candle. That one candle is a very long strong bullish candle, but in the 4 hours it's now telling us what is happening inside that weekly candle, that the market is going on, some correction. Even the daily self is telling us what is happening in that weekly candle, that the market is going on some correction, you understand. So trade responsibly, trade smart, so you will always be profitable on gold, you understand, and don't trade foolishly so that you will not blow your account, you understand. So this is all for today. In the evening I'm still going to do a video to tell you if gold have broke above this resistance, or gold have broke below the support, you understand. So this is it for today. Make sure you like my videos and follow me for more videos like this. Please, you guys should support me. It's not easy to be posting these videos. Is not easy, you understand. It takes time. Support me by following me so that you encourage me to keep posting more, because this is very beneficial to people out there. So why don't you follow, share what is beneficial to you? Or more busy because I'm not big, support me, anyhow you can share my videos, let people know about JoeFX, JoeFX. So let me not too disturb you, the video is already going too long. So this is it for this morning. As you can see, this is after 6, so maybe around after 5 I'm going to do another video and I'm going to show you. So this is it, you understand. So bye guys.